Hi dolls, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I wanted to do something a little bit different and stand up because it's all about this hair transformation, and as you can see, this hair is so long. It doesn't even fit fully in the screen, but I am so obsessed with it and I just got it done. Like, this is fresh weave. My head's a little tight, it throbs a little bit, but it is so worth it. So today I'm gonna go through the process of how I got my hair like this, where I went to get it done, and also talk about the type of hair, the length, the color, the texture, and obviously where I got it. So stay tuned for all those details, and of course don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and we can get into it. Of the weave that came in the mail, and this is from virginhairfix.com. I'll be sure to leave everything that I ordered in the down bar for you dolls to check out. So I got 4 pieces from them. You can do bundle options, but I decided to go ahead and just do 3 bundles of 26 inches of their Malaysian straight hair. I just felt like I wanted to go straight. It's very simple for me, it's easy to manage every day, and it's extremely silky. I know the luster of this is a medium luster, and because all of this is a full braided sew-in, I had to go ahead and get a closure as well because I didn't want to have a ton of leave out, but of course you can just do what you do. I just know that my hair wouldn't really blend in well with the extension, so of course I just got the closure, which is 14 inches in straight Malaysian hair as well. So definitely check out the links down below for all of that. Now the color of this hair is an off black, so I feel like it's a little bit darker than my natural hair, but it still works really good with the leave out that I have going on, the little leave out that I have here on the sides, just for when the wind blows, you know, you don't see your braids, you don't see your tracks, you're good. I did go ahead and get this installed at a salon here in Los Angeles because I have no idea how to install it myself. I wish I knew, but I just don't. So we ended up using almost all of the bundles. It was about 2.5 of the bundles, maybe a little bit more. So I can show you guys what it looks like, because the quality of it, my stylist kept raving about like the hair and like, where did I get it? I'm like, here's their Instagram, check it out. She was obsessing over it. I'm sure she installs so many extensions every single day. It is an extension bar. So for her to rave about the quality of the hair firsthand, I thought was just really good, especially being that this was my first time trying out the company for myself. I just told her to use whatever she thought was best, and I wanted it to still be kind of like a natural volume. Like, I didn't want it to be too thick, so it's still really dense, really thick. So this is just what the wefts look like. And first my stylist just went in. I did go into the salon with my hair freshly washed this morning, and then I just blow dried it straight, no product. After my hair was braided down because I didn't want to have too much leave out, just a little bit here on the sides, and then I left my kitchen out as well. I don't really plan on putting this in a high pony, so it didn't really bother me to not have a ton of leave out. So she sewed down the closure, and she did a really good job sewing this down. Keep in mind this is freshly done as of like 2 hours ago, so once I go to bed tonight and I put a headscarf on, these little flyaways will definitely be a little bit more laid. So when she sewed down the closure, she went in with the wefts and sewed those down, and she did such an amazing job. Maybe it took about 2 hours, 2.5 hours for the whole thing, including the styling. She went in and tweezed the closure a little bit along the parting. I did ask for a middle part, so I like a middle part on me. I feel like it's doable, it's cute, it's great for everyday, low maintenance. She also went through and straightened the hair a little bit and cut some of these shorter pieces in the front, sort of like a face framing bits, because the closure was 14 inches. I didn't want it to just randomly stop here because all of this is all super long. So any of these shorter areas that you see, my stylist just went in and razored it, and I'm pretty excited to just be able to wake up and brush my hair, especially being that this is a straight texture. I am curious though to know how it's going to hold a curl. Usually straight textures don't hold a curl all day, they tend to fall out pretty quickly, but for this look I think I'm definitely going to want to wear it more on the straight side. So I was like, let me just go ahead and order these all in the straight Malaysian, and I'm happy that I did. I feel like it lays really well. It's not too much hair. She used the perfect amount in the install today, and the density of this is amazing, you guys. Like, so freaking nice. So yes, don't forget to check out the down bar for everything mentioned because I know it's a lot of details going on. And big thanks to Virgin Hair Fix for sponsoring today's video and sending this hair out to me so I could try it out and rock it. And of course, don't forget to check me out over on Snapchat, Twitter. Your girl has Spotify, always throwing down all the music vibes for you. I seriously make those playlists for me, my mom, and the dolls. So check it out. And until next time, I'll catch you dolls in my next video. Bye!